We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge, and I'm working with the Brother MFC L2720dw. So first thing first, there's a little indentation right here on the left side. Go ahead and pull that down, and then go ahead and right here, this little green part, pull that up and out. This is going to be your toner and drum together. So what you want to do is press this green little tab right here. It'll pop that toner up. Take it out, and then you'll unbox your new toner. And then you'll just go ahead and put it in the same spot. Pretty easy. Once you hear it click, then you know it's in the right way. Then just put it back into your printer. You should be good to go. After you shut this hatch, your printer will then start initializing. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.